Hey, it's Kilobyte here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do minor touch-ups on your hydro dipping that's not quite what you were hoping for. So it turned out really well, except that little spot there and that little spot there. So what I've got is a really short paintbrush. Sprayed some activator in the cap of the activator sprayer. And I got just a little piece of the film with the ink side up, so the sticky side is down. Unfortunately, it's wanting to roll. So I need to get, I'm going to try to do a little of the darkish white here, and then a little there, and we'll see. So what we do is we dip here, get some activator on it, and I'm going to swirl, see if we can get some ink. All right, got a little bit. Definitely looks better than it was. It's not the bright white. There's a tiny little spot there that I had not noticed. And you can darken it up. Grab some more here. Could take just a touch of blue. I'll try it. Why not? I am not the most creative or patient, so this is those that are would do much better than me. There's a little blue showing now. A little darkening it up. Oh yes, that's much better. Yeah, not bad. Still got to clear coat it, but I think that'll work out well. Awesome. That's how you touch up any mistakes. Hope it was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.